something is off. You can't explain it. Nothing bad happened, nobody hurt you, your life is technically fine. But you feel flat. You pick up your phone. Nothing. You put on music. Nothing. You scroll. Nothing. And then comes the thought that makes it worse. Why can't I just feel okay? Here's what nobody told you. Your brain has 3 switches. Not habits, not routines. Switches. Flip them in the right order and your brain chemistry changes in under a minute. No fixing your life, no forced positivity, no waiting. But stay until switch 3. Because switches 1 and 2 work fast. Switch 3 changes how your brain handles every bad moment from this point forward. Let's start. First, you need to understand one thing about the machine inside your head. Your brain was not built to make you happy. It was built to keep you alive. And to a brain wired for survival, happiness is optional. Safety is everything. So when something feels off, even when nothing is wrong, your brain reads that discomfort as a threat. Stress chemicals rise, motivation drops. Everything feels heavier than it actually is. But here's what your brain didn't count on. It doesn't just send signals to your body, it receives them back. And if you know how to send the right signal, your brain responds immediately. That's what the 3 switches are. Not tricks, not hacks. Just the right signals sent in the right order. Switch 1. The body override. Your brain makes a mistake most people never catch. It assumes your body is always telling the truth. So if your shoulders are up, your jaw is tight, your eyes are narrowed, your brain reads that and concludes, danger, stay alert, don't relax. And the mood stays low. But flip it. Right now, do this with me. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unclench your jaw. Let the muscles around your eyes go loose. Soften your mouth. Not a smile, just soft. Hold that for 15 seconds. Here's what just happened. Your brain received a body signal that said, "We are safe. Stand down." And when your brain believes you're safe, it stops flooding your system with stress chemicals and starts releasing the ones that make you feel human again. You didn't think your way out of the mood, you signaled your way out. Most people wait to feel better before changing their body. That's the wrong order. Body first, brain follows, always. Switch 2, the observer shift. Your brain runs in 2 modes. Reactive mode, fast, emotional, instinctive, and observing mode, slower, logical, calm. When your mood drops, reactive mode takes over. You're not thinking about the feeling, you are the feeling. Here's how you shift that in 1 sentence. Name what you're feeling. Out loud if you can, silently if you need to. I'm feeling flat right now. I'm feeling anxious right now. I'm feeling overwhelmed right now. That's it. No analysis, no solutions, just the name. The moment you label the feeling, your brain shifts processing from the emotional center to the logical center. Neuroscientists call it affect labeling. Think of it like this. If a storm is happening inside you, you're soaked. But the moment you name it, you're watching from inside a house. Same storm, completely different experience. You can't fully spiral and fully observe at the same time. Naming it interrupts it every single time. 2 switches flipped. Your body says safe. Your mind says observed. But there's one more, and this one changes what your brain actually releases. Do not miss this one. Switch 3. The momentum signal. Here's the biggest lie about happiness most people believe: that it comes after something good happens. It doesn't. Your brain releases dopamine, the chemical most responsible for how good you feel, not when you achieve something, not when you finish something. It releases it when you move forward, even slightly, even barely. Forward movement equals dopamine. That's the signal. So here's what you do right now. Pick one action that takes less than 15 seconds. Sit up straighter. Take one deep breath. Drink a sip of water. Write one word. Close one tab. That's it. Your brain just detected forward motion, and it responded the only way it knows how. It gave you a hit of dopamine. Not a big one, but enough. Enough to lift the flatness slightly. Enough to make the next action feel easier. Enough to start a chain. This is why waiting to feel motivated before acting never works. Motivation is not the cause of action, it's the result of it. Move first, feel it after. And this works every single time. Bad mood? One small move. Low energy? One small move. That flat, empty feeling with no explanation? One small move. Your brain does the rest. So here's what you now know. Your brain isn't making you miserable on purpose. It's just responding to the signals it receives. And now you know how to send different ones. Switch 1. Body override. Change your physical signal first. Brain follows. Switch 2. Observer shift. Name the feeling. Step outside the storm. Switch 3. Momentum signal. One tiny move. Dopamine responds. 3 switches, under 60 seconds. No life changes required. The next time that flat, empty, off feeling shows up, and it will, you'll know exactly what to do. Because you're not stuck. You just needed to know where the switches are. Which switch are you trying first? Drop it in the comments.